When I think of our classroom, which is what I'm going to be writing my poem about today, I think about the feeling I get when I walk in the room, and it might not be the same feeling you get when you walk in our room. When I walk into our classroom, I get this feeling of being safe. It's comfortable with the beanbag and the rug and the little carpets to sit on. Um, it's chaotic with books all over the place that aren't away and these giant tables taking up so much space. When I walk into our classroom, I feel happy and fresh because it's a start of a new day. Whatever happened yesterday is gone. When I look around the room, I see piles of books, tons of books. I see sneakers and jackets left behind. I see a giant TV in the center of the room and giant um, furniture. What does it smell like? Well, but when we first walk in the room and how we leave at the end of the day changes how the room smells sometimes. But a lot of times I smell sunscreen in weather like this or pencils. I smell school supplies. There's a certain smell of school. I smell colored pencils and crayons when I walk into our room. And so taste is one of those tricky ones. Taste, if I'm thinking about my grandmother's house, I taste spaghetti sauce. And if I'm thinking about my parents' house in Florida, I taste avocados and fresh fish because that's what my mom makes. And when I'm thinking about school and I think of taste, um, I think I taste lunches and breakfast eaten in 15 minutes or less for both the teachers and the students, you know. Um, I taste tea because that's what I have each morning with you when I'm having a class meeting. And so all of these things, this brainstorming has reminded me of all the ways that I feel inside of our classroom. Um, it has reminded me of all of the things I see and I smell and it all comes together to remind me of that special place a little bit more.